Intake manifold is here. One with Edlebrock fuel injection. So big fuel injectors to handle up to, I think it's 750 or 650 horsepower. I can't remember. I'd have to look it up. Came packaged pretty well. Fuel rails, everything's assembled. I'll probably more than likely take this whole thing apart though, and I might color match this to some of the other accessories on the engine with Cerakoting and stuff, but we'll see. Have plenty of time. Wire harness, huge bundle of wires, O2 sensors, etc. More wire harnesses, and the ECU right here. Connectivity should be, for tuning purposes and everything, I can do through my phone just by downloading the app. Instructions are all in colors, so that's kind of nice. We're still a ways off before we'll be installing this, but it's here just because it's kind of hard to come by, but it does have a nice retro look. Victor Jr. intake, which will support horsepower to the upper end. It'll kind of just skew everything to the upper end of the RPM range. Nice big runners, rectangular port heads, or rectangular ports rather, for the rectangular port 821 heads that I'll be running, but looks pretty nice.